Today, I'm going to show you how to make this old siding come right back to life. It's filthy dirty, and it's going to look like brand new. So keep watching.
Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
All right, let's get right into this. I went to the dollar store. I got myself everything I need right here. First, we need some bleach, $1. Some laundry detergent, bargain brands, perfectly fine, $1. A little scrub brush, $1. And a bucket, $1. And, of course, some scouring powder, also just $1. So the magic recipe, basically we start with a bucket of warm water. I prefer warm water, dissolves everything up really quickly, and your hands don't get very cold. All right, the first thing I want to do is add some laundry detergent. I'm going to add maybe about half a cup, maybe towards a cup, about that much. And then I'm going to put scouring powder in there. I don't know, just some. We'll get that good and soapy. Dissolve that powder good, and the final ingredient, some bleach. I'm going to pour maybe about a cup and a half in there. Something like that. I'm going to mix that all up. So the soap in this will act as the cleaner. The scouring powder is the abrasive cleaner that's going to help really get the grime off. And then the bleach should help to brighten everything up. I'm going to get these out of the way here. The last thing you might need is a cup of coffee, but it's completely optional. Now let's bring on the siding. Got myself a couple of really nasty bits. Got one here, this one here, horrible. And of course this one. These things are really dirty. So, grab my garden hose here and just get these wiped down. Just getting them wet, rinsing off the big chunks. All right, let's take these one at a time. Got my scrub brush here, my bucket. You get what you pay for. All right, I've got myself a new bucket here. I'm gonna pour this in. Junk. All right, let's see here. Let's see how it goes. Basically, just using my scrub brush, clean off all that grime. Now we'll give it a rinse. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's like new. Try another. Here we go. Really got to work into these edges, get all that grime out of these creases. All right, let's see how this one turns out. Oh, look at that. You wouldn't believe it's probably 10 years old. Even feels clean. And that's all there really is to it. It's unbelievable. So I only have about 50 pieces of these to clean today. I'll come back to you once that's all finished, and we'll go ahead and get this hung. Okay, so I just want to take a minute to show you how I do window trims. Now there might be a better way out there, but this is the best way I know how to do it.
This wall before me has taken months to prepare for this moment. There's really nothing special aesthetically about it, but the journey to now has been the most rewarding. With a new window installed at the bottom of our stairway, we now have abundant natural light in what was formerly a dark corner of our home. And with this second window, we will have additional light to what will be our future master bath. To have done it all myself has given me the biggest reward. So sit back and enjoy this time lapse as I bring this simple wall back from neglect.